Hello my dear friends, welcome in my channel GS Knowledge Industry. In this video we will discuss most and very important 55 GK of Parliament and Constitution of India, which are very important for the all competitive examination. So my dear friends, let's start without delay. The first question is, who is the chairman of the National Disaster Management Authority? The right answer is Prime Minister. Prime Minister is the chairman of National Disaster Management Authority. 2 number question is, who appoints the Finance Commission in India? Answer is President of India. Who appoints the Finance Commission in India? President appoints, right? 3 number question is, the Speaker of Lok Sabha addressed his letter of resignation to the days. The Speaker of Lok Sabha addressed his letter of resignation to the Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha. 4 number question is, what is the minimum age of Vice President? The minimum age of Vice President is 35 years. 5 number question is, fundamental duties are mentioned in which part of Indian Constitution? The right answer is part 4A. Fundamental duties are mentioned in which part of Indian Constitution? Part 4A. 6 number question, which is the largest committee of Parliament of India? Estimates Committee is the largest committee of Parliament of India. 7 number question is, who appoints to All India Services? The right answer is President. President appoints to All India Services. 8 number question is, what is the literal meaning of the term quo warranto? The right answer is by what authority. Quo warranto means by what authority. 9 number question is, NITI Ayog has been formed to replace which institution? The right answer is Planning Commission. NITI Ayog has been formed to replace with which constitution? Planning Commission, right? 10 number question is, which right has been removed from fundamental rights? The right answer is right to property. Right to property has been removed from fundamental rights. 11 number question is, who was the first Viceroy in India? Lord Canning was the first Viceroy in India. 12 number question is, what is the term of Governor of India? 5 years, right? The term of Governor of India is 5 years. 13 number question is, who is the Supreme Commander of Indian Defence Force? The right answer is President. President is the Supreme Commander of Indian Defence Force. 14 number question is, respect for the national flag and national anthem is what? The right answer is fundamental duties of every citizen, right? Respect for the national flag and national anthem is fundamental duties of every citizen. 15 number question is, President of India can proclaim constitutional emergency under which article? The right answer is Article 356. President of India can proclaim constitutional emergency under Article 356. 16 number question is, which article deals with the right to equality before law? Article 14 deals with the right to equality before law. 17 number question is, what is the minimum age for Vidhan Parishad? The right answer is 30 years. The minimum age for Vidhan Parishad is 30 years. 18 number question is, the residuary power of legislation under Indian Constitution resides with days. The residuary power of legislation under Indian Constitution resides with parliament. 19 number question is, which amendment is known as the mini constitution? 42 amendment is known as the mini constitution. 20 number question is, what is the minimum age of governor? The minimum age of governor is 35 years, right? 21 number question is, how the member of Rajya Sabha are elected? The right answer is by the elected member of Legislative Assembly. How the member of Rajya Sabha are elected? By the elected members of Legislative Assembly. 22 number question is, anti-defection law is given in which schedules of Indian Constitution? The right answer is 10 schedules, right? Anti-defection law is given in 10 schedules of Indian Constitution. 23 number question is, during the vacant of President and Vice President, who acts as the President? The right answer is Chief Justice of India. During the vacant of President and Vice President, Chief Justice of India act as the President. 24 number question is, Indian citizenship is granted by whom? The right answer is the Ministry of Home Affairs. Indian citizenship is granted by the Ministry of Home Affairs. 25 number question is, who is the executive head of India? President is the executive head of the India. 26 number question is, who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar is known as the father of Indian Constitution. 27 number question, the idea to have a constitution in India was given by whom? The right answer is M.N. Roy. The idea to have a constitution in India was given by M.N. Roy. 28 number question, when the Constituent Assembly was set off in India? When the Constituent Assembly was set off in India first? The right answer is 16 May 1946. In 16 May 1946, the Constituent Assembly was set off in India first. 29 number question is, Constituent Assembly was set off in accordance with the which plan? Constituent Assembly was set off in accordance with the Cabinet Mission Plan. 30 number question is, how many total members were in the Constituent Assembly? The right answer is 389. 389 members were in the Constituent Assembly. 31 number question is, how many days took to frame the Indian Constitution? 2 years, 11 months, 18 days. 2 years, 11 months, 18 days took to frame the Indian Constitution. 32 number question is, when the Constituent Assembly was adopted the national flag? The right answer is 22 July 1947. In 22 July 1947, the Constituent Assembly was adopted the national flag. 33 number question is, when the Indian Constitution came into existence? The right answer is 26 January 1950. 26 January 1950, the Indian Constitution came into existence. 34 number question is, who is the designer of National Flag of India? Who is the designer of National Flag of India? Answer is Pingali Bhenkiya. Here I have written 2 time V. This is 1 time V, right? Bhenkaya. Bhenkiya, right? Who is the designer of National Flag of India? Pingali Bhenkiya. 35 number question is, who was the chairman of drafting committee? Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar was the chairman of drafting committee. 36 number question is, Who was the advisor of Constituent Assembly of India? B. N. Rao was the advisor of Constituent Assembly of India. 37 number question is, how many organs are in Indian Parliament? There are 3 organs, Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha and President. 38 number question is, when the Constitution of India was adopted? 26 November 1949. In 26 November 1949, the Constitution of India was adopted. 39 number question is, the word socialist, secular and integrity were added by which amendment? The right answer is 42 Amendment 1976. 14 number question is, the objective resolution was drafted and moved by whom? The right answer is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The objective resolution was drafted and moved by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. 41 number question is, the idea of preamble was borrowed from which constitution? The idea of preamble was borrowed from which constitution? The right answer is the right answer is USA Constitution, right? The idea of preamble was brought from USA Constitution. 42 number question is, which is the upper house? Council of State means Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha is the upper house. 43 number question is, which is the lower house? Lok Sabha, People's House is the lower house. 44 number question is, when the first sitting of Rajya Sabha was held? Right answer is 3 April 1952. When the first sitting of Rajya Sabha was held? 3 April 1952. 45 number question is, legislature of union is called days. Legislature of union is called parliament. 46 number question is, Parliament of India is consist of days house. Parliament of India is consist of 2 houses, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. 47 number question is, which house is called permanent house? Rajya Sabha is called permanent house. 48 number question is, which house is called temporary house? Lok Sabha is called temporary house. 49 number question is, which house is known as lower house, temporary house, people's house? Lok Sabha is known as lower house, temporary house, people house. 50 number question is, what is the tenure of the member of Lok Sabha? The tenure of the member of Lok Sabha is 5 years. 51 number question is, what is the tenure of Rajya Sabha? The tenure of Rajya Sabha is 6 years, right? 52 number question is, 1/3 member of Rajya Sabha retires in how many years? 1/3 members of Rajya Sabha retires in every 2 years. 53 number question is, in which house money bill can be proposed? The right answer is Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha is the right answer, okay? In which house money bill can be proposed? In Lok Sabha. 54 number question is, when the first sitting of the Lok Sabha was held in India? When the first sitting of Lok Sabha was held in India? The right answer is 13 May 1952. In 13 May 1952, the first sitting of Lok Sabha was held in India. 55 number question, and this is the last question of this video. How many sessions are in Lok Sabha? There are 3 sessions, right? Budget session, monsoon session and winter session. So how many sessions are in Lok Sabha? There are 3 sessions. Budget session, monsoon session and winter session, right? So my dear friends, thank you for watching and best of luck.